Hello everyone, this is Tanuja Pradhan. A warm welcome to all of you in my food channel, Sunshine Flavors. Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Today we will be seeing how to make sesame laddoos or Tilgulache laddu as we call them in Maharashtra. For this, take half a cup of white sesame seeds and roast them on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Take care not to roast the sesame seeds for too long, otherwise they will get bitter. As you can see, the sesame seeds have become slightly brown and they've also become shiny because the oil has started releasing. Remove them in another plate and let them cool down. Spread them evenly so they cool faster. In the same pan, add half a cup of peanuts. You can use 1 cup of peanuts if you want to cut down on the bitterness of sesame seeds. Roast on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Take care not to turn them black, otherwise the laddoos will have a burnt flavor. As you can see, the peanuts are nicely roasted. These are shelled peanuts that I got from the store. If you have unshelled peanuts, cool them down after roasting and remove the shells before using them for making the laddoos. Remove the peanuts in another plate and let them cool down. Spread them evenly to make them cool faster. Once the sesame seeds cool down, add them to the mixer grinder and coarsely grind them. Pulsate it for 5 to 7 seconds at the most. This is how we want our sesame seeds powder coarsely grinded. Remove the sesame powder in a bowl. In the same jar, add the peanuts and coarsely grind them. Here too, pulsate it for about 5 seconds to 3 times. You can see the coarsely ground peanuts powder. Add the peanuts powder to the sesame powder. Now add the jaggery. You can use half a cup of jaggery or a little less as per your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, but this is optional. Mix all ingredients together. Add the mixture to the mixer grinder. Grind the mixture in short 3 to 4 second pulsations so that the oil is released and it becomes easier to mold the laddoos. Mix it in between so that you evenly grind the mixture. Now you can grind in 5-second pulsations. Within 3 to 4 of such pulsations, you will find that the mixture is ready to be molded into laddoos. Look at this, look how nicely the oil has secreted and it's ready to be molded into laddoos. Remove the mixture in a bowl. Now let us prepare the laddoos. Now take a little mixture and press it firmly in your hand. Every time you press it, try rotating it a little bit so that it slowly turns into the shape of a ball. Using both the hands, mold it into a round ball. Finally, take the laddu in one hand and rotate it in a circular motion so that it gives the final shine to the laddoos. Let me show you another one. Here, I am making bite-sized laddoos for my son, but you can always take bigger portions of the mixture to make bigger laddoos. Traditionally in Maharashtra, sesame laddoos or Tilgulache laddu are made from jaggery syrup. But today I am showing my mom's recipe. She had started making these soft laddoos for the kids. Soon all the grown-ups also started demanding for these laddoos and they became a staple for our household. Of course, in those days my mom used to do the grinding part in a mortar and pestle, and as kids we used to join her in crushing the peanuts and the sesame seeds and even in molding the laddoos. It used to be a lot of fun, and that is the essence of celebrating festivals. In this way, all the laddoos are ready. Enjoy them with your family and friends, and don't forget to say Tilgul Ghya God God Bola. If you've liked this video, do subscribe to my food channel Sunshine Flavors. Hit on the bell icon to get further notifications. Click on the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy, stay healthy.